All right, good morning. Today is the 1st of April, 2025, and welcome to Notations Trading Notes. Today, I'd like to talk about Options Arena. Check us out. Link is in the bio. It's a trading alert service. We mostly do futures and options. We update our customers with alerts and with the status of the alert. So if it gains or if there's a need to cut it, we give you that alert. It's live. It's only $49.99 a month. You won't find a better deal. Check us out. We're on Instagram. And in the future, we're going to have some services to help traders with analysis. So stay tuned. With that, today's analysis, we're looking at the S&P index through the MESM future. So let's look at the notes for today. Um, let's just get to the nitty gritty. Today's orders, we just want to get to the profit part of the video. Today's orders are retracements off of the 5600 level or bounce, either one. And we're looking at a green 15-minute candle. Also, we have 56, oops, go back, 5660. We have that as resistance for today, one of the resistance lines. And a bounce, a reverse bounce, and enter on this level. Excuse me, with a 15-minute green to the 5700 level. So here I'm showing the hourly chart. This level right here, this 5600 level, I'm looking to bounce things off of this level, right? We have two resistance line. We have two lines right here. We got a support and a resistance level. So I'm looking at it to squeeze possibly between these two levels. And if it's going to shoot out, it's going to shoot out above this 5660 level. I'm looking for it to shoot up to maybe 5700. I see that as like hard resistance. So I don't see us going above that today. If we do, it's going to like retrace or it's going to bounce back down hard. That's what I believe. 5600, I think that on the daily, it was a short red candle, but it was a red candle, and then we have the VIX trending up. We have some bulb touches on the daily as well, so possible breakdown or bounce. Looking at some volatility around that since it's in between these two support and resistance lines. So the 5600 is not right at the support level, which is good. So when it goes below that, I'm looking for it to come back up with a strong 15-minute candlestick that I'm going to try to ride up maybe 10 or 20 points again, all the way up maybe to 5660 where we have this res down here. But this is the these are the levels that I'm looking at it to move in between for the majority of today. And if it breaks down below either one, we'll be ready to take some profits. On the hourly, we see that the shaft trend cycle here is flat topped. So when this is bullish, but the minute this starts curving down, we're looking at it to do some bearish moves when it coincides with everything. Here we have a MACD. Last time I looked at this, it was crossing down. So that's also an indicator that we may have some strong moves down, even though here it looked like it's, it looked like it's going up right here with our low. This is still bearish, but it's looking to do temporary bullishness. We have a breakout tomorrow, I believe, because of the tariffs. So today can be very volatile, or we can see a sideways market because nobody knows what's going to happen tomorrow, between now and tomorrow. Also, Let's see, we're above the 50-day, but trending near the middle Bollinger. So again, volatility being squeezed above the 50-day moving average. You can see some bounces above that, but the lower it gets down to 5,600, that'll give us our confirmation, especially when the 15-minute candles show up once we get below 5,600. Above 5,660 though, looking for it to bounce, come down from 5,600 hard, and then go right back up. So kind of do like a almost like a bull flag kind of deal, but we'll see what happens when it hits that. It may continue to shoot up, but um, we'll see. Um, yeah, it's just like a weird squeeze pattern. Not really seeing it really choosing a direction since it's bounced below this trend line right here. So we're in between these two trend lines, and until it picks a direction, we're just going to be picking the opposite direction once it gets near this. So if it gets below here, we're going up. If it gets above this, we're looking for it to either go up or come down. But I think that's an oversimplification. These are my orders that I'm looking to enter today. 56 retrace, bounce off of that 5,600 level. Again, looking for a 15-minute red, 15-minute green candle. So when our candles are looking like this, and it's on the 15-minute chart, that's good. Once we get above this 5,600 level, all right? And then on the 5660 level, we're looking to come up like this. Let's see, let's do the red. Let me do the red. And then come down hard. You can even do that. And then there we go. And then come right back up like that. And then just, we want to do that. It'll probably do this. And then it'll go up. But this is what we're looking for if we are going to go above 5,600. We can cancel this out if this keeps dropping. If this happens, no orders above this. But we're looking for this retracement first, then second. You know, if it doesn't do the second, no orders. So that's what I've got. Check out again Options Arena LLC premium alert service, and we'll see you in the group chat. I usually do my analysis around 8:30 because that's the best time for me to see, you know, what movements it's gonna do. And yeah, I like to trade, even though futures, I trade, these are futures. You can trade options along with aside this analysis, along with this chart. If there's a underlying asset that you're trading, you could trade it alongside this if it's kind of following the index. But yeah, that's it for now. Until tomorrow, we'll see what it does today.